Craving something warm, rich, and ultra-chocolatey, but don't feel like baking a whole batch? This Oreo Brownie Mug Cake is dense, fudgy, and ready in just about a minute, perfect for those sudden chocolate cravings that can't wait. The best part? You don't need an oven, mixers, or baking skills, just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. Let's get started. In a small bowl, add 2 Oreo cookies and gently break them into bite-sized pieces. This adds crunchy pockets of cookies throughout the brownie. Keep it aside. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives the brownie its structure while keeping it soft. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor, and just a pinch of salt to balance everything out. Mix the dry ingredients well so the cocoa is evenly combined. This helps avoid bitter pockets and gives you a smooth, rich brownie. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of room temperature milk to add moisture. Add 1 tablespoon of oil for that dense, fudgy texture, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla to enhance the chocolate flavor. Stir gently until just combined. Don't overmix, or the brownie can turn cakey instead of fudgy. Fold in chopped Oreo cookies, making sure they're spread throughout the batter. If you want it extra indulgent, add a tablespoon of chocolate chips. They melt right into the brownie and make every bite richer. Stir everything together gently, just until combined. Place the mug in the microwave and cook for about 55 to 70 seconds. Watch as the brownie rises slightly and sets around the edges while the center stays soft and gooey. And just like that, your Oreo Brownie Mug Cake is ready. Warm, rich, and loaded with chocolatey goodness. If you want all my mug cake recipes in one place, I've put them into a downloadable PDF on Etsy. Check the link in my bio.